this is basil leaf. We can put them in pizza and they're very yummy. And you can put them in your soup or anything you like.
Yeah, and they are good for health.
Wait, I want to tell you something. Welcome back to my channel. Okay.
Yeah.
This is to represent the aloe vera. It's very good for hair. Hello. Let me hold. Hello. This plant is called Diffenberia.
Diffenberia.
Okay. And it's very hard to make children touch. They will cut children's hands.
Yeah, it is poisonous.
And it is very poisonous.
Yeah.
And this is what we represent.
This is Diffenberia. This is poisonous plant.
This is Diffenberia and a little smaller Diffenberia. And it's very hard to touch, you see. Do you see the heads? The heads. Okay, look. It's very... And Amma, where the hibiscus plant?
Hibiscus plant, yeah.
Hello, this is what we represent, the hibiscus.
Yeah.
China people used to fry it.
Yeah.
And used to make pakoras.
Yeah.
And then we can also eat them and follow the making way to make samosas and eat them normally and fry them and eat them.
Yeah. And show this snake plant.
Hello, this is the snake plant which I represent. I made it dough by myself, so I represent. It's called the snake plant. Look, it's pointy, and snakes' tails are also
They're looking
pointy.
like snakes, actually.
Yeah, and they're very.
Now it's hands for the hatao.
Okay, this is the date tree. Do you see that big tree? We represent that date tree. Yeah, they have yellow days, but it's very confusing. Like this, people think they become brown, but actually they're yellow dates.
Yeah. Show this lemon plant. Say this is baby plant.
Hello, this is baby plant, and this is a new member in our garden,
Yeah.
and we like it so much.
This one.
Yeah, and you can stroke it here. Look, like I'm stroking it.
Yeah.
Look.
When it will become mature, it will produce fruits. Okay.
इसका नाम क्या है?
This is called jade plant.
This is called jade plant. Do you see this?
Yeah.
This plant, okay.
This is called jade plant.
It's very beautiful and it looks like it's morning time, right?
Yeah. Okay.
Actually, it's evening, by the way. Hello, now I want to show you my favorite plant. Come on, Amma. Follow me. Amma, it is called the onion plant.
This one? No, this is called adenium.
No, this one.
This is some more. I don't know the name.
Come on.
अपना हाथ तो हटाओ कैमरा के आगे से.
First, I want to show you this.
Where are you taking us?
Of course, come on. Just follow me, Amma. Oh, this is my scooter which I represent. It's called Basil. Basil scooter.
Okay.
This is the beanstalk.
This is not beanstalk. These are all money plants. These are all money plants.
These are money plants.
Yeah.
Okay, now. Okay, where's the tomato
We have
plant?
put some cuttings here.
Where's
and
the
there are-
tomato plant?
Yeah, we have put
Where's
some.
the dead tomato plant?
Yeah, I have thrown somewhere. But this is a neem. This
This is leaf plant.
Neem plant.
Come on, let me show you the secret passage. Come. Welcome to my channel. Today I'll be showing you things. This is my this
is a geyser.
This is our geyser. This is our geyser, and it's very rusty.
Yeah.
And this is the sense, okay? And I don't know what these buttons are for, so I'm not allowed to press those buttons. Oh, mosquitoes! Look!
So many more.
Now I have to run. I'm sending videos, and now this is this.
Look.
But I'm wearing tights.
Chalo.
Mama, I have.
Kitchen.
No, can I do?
Now come inside. Let's wash your hands first.
Welcome to my. I'm not done with my channel. Hello to.
Come.
Mom,